Each character has a code. ASCII code or UTF-8 code is one example. It is a single byte code and it has 256 characters. Because of this limitation, currently we're using Unicode. It has 2 bytes and it can represent over 65,000 characters. Those characters are special characters as well as characters from international languages such as Chinese, Japanese, and Korean. You can use a function uint16 to convert a character into an integer, and it will be the code of that character. Alternatively, if you know the code of a character, you can use a function char to convert the integer back to the character. Here are the examples. The first 2 statements convert the character capital A and small a into integer. They are the code of the 2 characters. The next 4 statements will convert the integer back to the character. And you can verify the character for the first 3 code. It's 48, 66, 108 in the ASCII table. And the last statement is to convert the code 247, which is a Unicode, represent the division sign in math. So let's take a look. If we run the section, you will find that the code for capital A is 65, the code for small a is 97. And if we use 48 as a code, we will find it represents character 0. And code 66 represents the code capital B, and code 101 represents the character small e. And here, the last one, it is a character of the division sign. You can use character vector in the arithmetic operations. In this case, the characters in the vector will be converted to the numerical value first, before arithmetic operations. The numerical values are the Unicode of the characters. For example, we have a character vector ABC here, and we're going to add a numerical vector which has the values 1, 2, 3. And just be sure that the number of characters in the character vector must be the same number of numerical values in the numerical vector. The operation will start by converting the character vector into a numerical vector. And we know that the Unicode of capital A is 65. And then we can get the Unicode of B and C as 66 and 67. And then we're going to add the values 1, 2, 3 to these numerical code. So after we run this section, and we will find that the final answer will be 66, 68, and 67.